Right, so no messing today. Tandoor's nice and hot. Chicken tikka ready. It's the same marinade as what was done the other day, the tandoori one. I've got another batch ready afterwards. So temperatures at the top, 290, and then towards the bottom we're looking at around touching 400. So yeah, definitely hot today. So that's all in there now, as you can see. This really won't take long to cook at all really, so we're looking at about 10-15 minutes max. So yeah, we'll keep a check and see how it goes. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. Let's have a look. Let's check one of the other ones. Look at that. So as I said earlier, this is the tandoori chicken tikka, the same as what I made the other day. The other batch that I'm making is more traditional chicken tikka. Right, so it's been about 10 minutes. Let's have a little look. Still got my same gloves as last time. Right, they're just resting now. Look at that. Get close up on that one. So all in all, that took about 10 minutes, well 10 to 12 minutes. So just gonna let them rest now for a little while, and I'll get the other ones going soon. So this is the second chicken tikka going on now. As you can see, it's more yellow in colour, because this is more of a traditional marinade. So there was no paprika, no tandoori powder, just a bit more garlic and ginger, a little bit of cumin and some red chilli paste on this one. So again, that shouldn't take too long. So okay, so that's been about 5 minutes. Let's have a look. Take the first one out. Looks good so far. So what I'm going to do is just baste it with a little bit of butter. Put it back in and do the same on the others. Ooh. So these have been in here a little bit longer now. Been about 15 minutes, but yeah, all done. Alright, here we go. So second batch of chicken tikkas. Perfectly cooked. All the way down. Okay, that's it, all done. There you go. Chicken tikka, 2 ways. And as my daughter has written, so yeah, so there's going to be some very lucky people in a moment getting some chicken tikka takeaway.